Hi, it's Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms, and I am here with a mindful moment to share with you all. So go ahead and join me if you'd like. This is one of our seated activities that come from our at the desk cards, and this is our sandwich activity. So this is a great activity for after lunch. It helps improve digestion. It's a great lower body stretch and also a little bit of your upper body as well. It's a good release if you're holding a lot of tension in your hips or back or shoulders. So, great activity for the afternoon or really any time of the day. But I hope you'll join me for sandwich. For sandwich, we're going to come to the front of our chair. As you see on the image there, he's kind of coming up towards the front of his chair, not falling off, but towards the front with our legs straight in front of us, reaching out with our heels on the ground. Now we want our back straight, so we want to make sure that we're not slumped over. We want our back straight like in our seated mountain, but unlike our seated mountain, our feet aren't on the floor right in front of us. They're stretched out in front of us. So from here, we're going to make sure that our legs are straight. That's our first slice of bread. This is sandwich, right? So we need two slices of bread. So we bring our feet in front of us. Like I said, the heels are on the floor. You should feel your feet flexing, kind of bring your toes towards you. And that creates that first slice of bread. Now, to create the second slice of bread, we're going to inhale, deep inhale. Reach your arms up above your head. Bring your hands together, and that creates our second slice of bread. And now, as we fold forward, creating our sandwich, we're going to exhale, letting it all go. Folding forward, feeling that stretch through your legs and your hips and maybe your shoulders and back. Slowly begin to roll back up, coming back to that seated mountain. You can put your feet back on the floor right in front of you, like we do in our seated mountain. And we're going to try that whole activity, that whole mindful moment again, okay? So we're going to get to do that again. This time, really pay attention to that slow and deep stretch and release. And maybe as you fold into your sandwich, you feel that stretch get even deeper and deeper with each exhale. So let's try that again. So go ahead and create your first slice of bread, bringing those legs out in front of you, heels on the ground. Toes flexing up, feeling that stretch right away through your legs. And then go ahead and begin. Oh, make sure your back is straight in case you lost it. Sometimes that happens. Make sure your back is still straight. And now let's create that second slice of bread by inhaling, hands up overhead, exhale, folding our sandwich over. Going as far as what feels comfortable for you. You might take another inhale and then exhale, feeling it a little deeper, maybe creating that little deeper stretch on that exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale, feeling that deep stretch. When you're ready, go ahead and roll up. Coming back, bringing your feet back under you, maybe kind of shaking that out a little bit. And hopefully that leaves you feeling a little more released, a little better stretched than you did before. Thanks for joining me for Sandwich, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.